We'll guide you through how to fix being unable to add a card in Apple Wallet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when you're unable to go and add a card to your Apple Wallet and go and use it in Apple Pay. If I go and press the plus in the top right, you go and see it just says add cards to wallet. So let me go and press cancel there. So to go and fix this, what I found I had to do was go and open up the settings. In settings, scroll down to general. In general, you need to go and scroll down and find the option language and region, and we can then go and tap there. It's important to note that Apple Pay is not available in all regions, so make sure yours is set correctly. So I can click region at the top. I can then go and search for my region at the top here like so, and press change. If your region is already set correctly and it's not working, then it may not work for you. But if you manage to go and change it, then you can come back to wallet and we can press the plus. And now, as you can see, I can go and add my card. If you find that later in the process you can't go and add the card, then try contacting your card issuer as they may need to go and allow it to be added.